far now? How on a day? My name is Victoria Eze, but you can call me Miss Vic, and this is All Stars Unlocked. So you already know the first eviction this season happened, and with that we saw the eviction of Princess. Did you have a strategy going into Biggie's house? Because I feel like every housemate kind of does.
So my strategy was really to go there and be myself. Mostly mind my business, because I'm looking at, after I was more interested in representing myself properly, putting my brand out there, making sure I'm not known for the wrong reasons, because it took me 5 years to get over the last one. I don't have 5 years to wait.
So what do you think you'll be known for from your stay in Biggie's house?
For me, I think I'll be known as the quintessential being that was always minding her
Because
business.
you said you wanted to have fun and just catch a vibe. Did you do that?
I did have a vibe. Everyone was entertaining me.
But do you think that playing this game of I'm not here to entertain them, they're entertaining me, do you think that has a part to play in why you were the first to leave the house?
Who cares? I'm not supposed to be the first. I didn't get the lowest vote.
My name is Victoria Eze, but you can call me Miss Vic.
My name is Toke Makinwa. This is All Stars Unlocked.
So who do you think they don't change personality small?
I definitely think that Libaye started off as the underdog.
Yeah, for sure.
What that everyone thought was the weakest.
But she's like a key player now, isn't she?
She is. And it's so interesting because in her season, she left she left early. And you know, the fact that everyone would always see her as an easy target, but the weekly review showed that, listen.
But she's been quiet this week. She's been quiet this week because
two strikes will do that to you.
Libaye needs to tread carefully.
I'm trying to figure out, is it shy?
I wonder if you're thinking what I'm thinking, because
Mercy and White Money kissing.
Biggest shocker of the season. Look, the season is not over, but I don't know any shocker that can top this.
Cheers to that. T-Badger knew. She finally told him she likes him.
Yes, she did. And V was so happy to say, I told you so.
Let's begin with the whole wager thing with, you know, Uriel, the acting, the audition.
I want to audition. What do you mean? I didn't audition. Okay, so listen, because no, it's a production. Adekunle, don't come here and do your problems. I gave you start on Monday. You practiced yesterday. You are not telling me on Wednesday.
That escalated real quick, girl.
In fact, Uriel literally came to cry to Biggie that why does Mercy have to be the queen?
It was on the table.
Yeah.
Why didn't she just come out to say there's never been any auditions for anything?
True that. And she could have actually said something to the housemates.
At least to the other housemates,
right?
you know, just be like.
But you know how it is when she's just coming out of her shell. This is a new Uriel. This is Uriel 2.0. You see, Kid. Kid put up a whole campaign for Pardon Me Please. He went to Shay. He told Shay, I will take you to you and your wife. I'll give you 2 days. Anything you want. He was literally offering different things to different housemates. So he was so sure that they were going to call him. Some people even said, yeah, don't worry, we'll call you. Faith Lock-In is back for the All-Stars season. Now 30 lucky fans get the chance to win 1 million naira each. All you have to do is nominate who you think will make it to the finals. But this time around, you don't just pick one. Pick 3. So your top 3 housemates, if they make it to the final, you get a chance to win 1 million naira. You get it.
That's a lot of money in this season.
Even me, I'll go and lock in. Just in case. Mwano. Bye. Mwah.